Look here he comes. See him off in the distance. Took a big old flatbed to bring it in. It's that heavy. There's old Harold. Look at there. There comes the Peterbilt. And look what he's hauling. Oh, special delivery right there. Can't wait to see the truck show. Oh, shook the whole load. I just had to get it all fixed up, BullSnotted out, and then we will have this puppy at truck shows. A BullSnot proud day for sure. I look forever to find one of these. It'll be BullSnotty for long, guys. Don't worry about that. Look at that. Look at those chrome stacks. Got chicken lights on it too. Get her wrapped, and then we'll be in good shape. Got the KW on the hood. Hey, driver.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. That's a special delivery, ain't it?
I got it here in one piece.
Yes, sir.
A little dirty, but we got some BullSnot to clean it up.
Yes, sir, we do. I'll guarantee you. So, running any problems on the way?
No, sir. Right in, right out.
That's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
All right, guys.
Everywhere, but
well, I just want to share this special moment with you. Appreciate all of you, and I'll let you see it later on.
all right, buddy.